So this is a little trail to, good morning, by the way. This is a trail to the beach. And I just found this yesterday. And look at how neat. You walk right through this. And then back in there is a whole bunch of structures, beautiful structures that I have photographed, and I hope I got enough pictures at all the angles. Look at that. And then here's a little sitting area. And as you walk through this, it's all woven sticks, huge, huge sticks. It's creating an archway. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then this is what you see when you walk through. Here's a giant tree. I think these are eucalyptus. It's like a whole forest of it. But see, you look that way, there's a structure. And then you look over here, there's more structures. I've photographed all of those. And there's a swing. Someone nice enough to build a swing. Look at these trees. It gets real dense in there. Look at that. And there's a structure I was sitting by. There's a swing. But look at how pretty that is. You walk right through there. Oh my goodness. So I found this place yesterday from the parking lot, and I saw a guy with a paddleboard, and I asked him, oh, there's water over there? He goes, yeah, just up over the hill is the beach. And I was so tired from metal detecting for a few hours, I didn't have the energy to go up over a hill. So I'm doing it today. And I'm noticing a kind of a smell, kind of like cat spray. Excuse me. And boy, these trees are magnificent. I could see somebody standing in one of these trees easily. They're very easy to climb. They're smooth, but with texture. Hello. And you can see that this the little trails here and there have been walked on. That might be another structure there. It does have an entrance, it looks like, in a spot inside that looks like it's pressed down, maybe a bedding. But it's there's a lot of structures through here, oh my goodness, and people just walk right by them. These trees are all twisted and bent, so that's interesting. This tree has grown from here and bent down to the ground and then continued growing this way. Oh, I almost hit my head right there. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So there's a trail that leads further out that way to the beach.